Hello, this is Elizabeth, and I'm featuring art by my roommate, Richard Rollins. The song I would like to sing for you is a Shawn Colvin and John Leventhal song called Shotgun Down the Avalanche. I'm riding shotgun down the avalanche. Tumbling and falling down the avalanche. So be quiet tonight, the stars shine bright on this mountain of new fallen snow. But I will raise up my voice into the void. You have left me nowhere to go. I love you so much and it's so bizarre, a mystery that goes on and on and on. This is the best thing and the very most hard. We don't get along. After countless appeals, we keep spinning our wheels on this mountain of new fallen snow. So I let go the catch, we are over the edge. You have left me nowhere to go. I'm riding shotgun down the avalanche. Sometimes you make me lose my will to live and just become a beacon for your soul. But the past is stronger than my will to forgive you or myself, I don't know. Riding shotgun down the avalanche. Ooh, ooh, tumbling and falling down the avalanche. Ooh, ooh. So be quiet tonight. Be sure to step lightly on this mountain of new fallen snow. But I will raise up my voice into the void. You have left me nowhere to go. I'm riding shotgun down the